In our last video, we were discussing about getting the logs based on your message. Okay, message was filtered criteria here, and we were using. We wanted to get logs or details of log which should contain these words, yeah, these message. So what I was, and it was taking some time earlier, but I was using a wrong operator. Now what I have to do is I don't have to use equals. It should, because if you use that, then it will search for this sentence, and since there is no entry, there is no such entry, it will not give you any output. So to overcome that, you should use match. Okay, so what it will do, it will try to give you all the logs which will be these which will meet the script. Means these two there will be these two sentences, sorry, these two words, and afterwards whatever word, it will not it will not care. Okay, sorry. See, let me change the criteria. Suppose I want uh, anything should be here, and description should be there, and afterwards should be anyway. So let's see whether it finds somehow. Oops, went wrong. Description. Okay. There was something went wrong, I think. Okay, so it depends, it depends. If it is going wrong, then you can just search, or you can just have an idea that why it is going wrong. So that will not work, and then I removed it, and then it's now working. Okay, so this is all. Okay. So let's what we are left with. Okay, so let us see how we can use the time as the criteria. So first let me see what you see. Okay, the time format. Okay, so let's see how we'll be using the time greater than or equal to suppose April 25 0016. Let's see whether it works or not. Hmm. Something is going wrong. Let me discuss this thing with you in my next video. Okay, I think I'm doing something wrong. Okay, see you on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.